In this video, we're going to explain what the Arbitrum Airdrop is, who's eligible to participate, and how you can claim your free ARB tokens. For more information, or for a written step-by-step guide, please check out everybithelps.io. First up though, a little bit about what the Arbitrum Airdrop is. So Ethereum Layer 2 solution Arbitrum has now airdropped their long-awaited governance token, ARB, to early users of the network. So if you've in some way interacted with the network, you may be eligible for the Arbitrum Airdrop. The event is taking place on Thursday, March 23, 2023, and it involves distributing ARB tokens to eligible users. And airdrops are a common method for projects to distribute tokens to their communities, often as a reward for early support or engagement. In the case of the Arbitrum Airdrop, 11.5% of the total supply of ARB tokens in circulation are going to be distributed. And Arbitrum have tried their best to include a wide variety of genuine Arbitrum users in the ARB airdrop. Therefore, users will have already needed to interact with the network. Like with any airdrop, this can't be done retrospectively, because a snapshot of eligible users was taken on February the 6th, 2023. So any users that used Arbitrum before this date may receive an airdrop. And those eligible users include those that have bridged funds into Arbitrum 1, have conducted transactions between 2 distinct months, completed more than 4 transactions or interacted with more than 4 different smart contracts, those that have completed transactions exceeding the aggregate $10,000 in value, those that have deposited more than $50,000 of liquidity into Arbitrum, those that may have bridged funds into Arbitrum Nova, and completed more than 3 transactions on Arbitrum Nova. And a point system was used to determine the number of tokens a user could claim, with a maximum reward of 10,200 ARB per wallet. To qualify, users must have at least 3 points, and the maximum number of points is 15. So what are these ARB tokens that are being airdropped? Well, Arbitrum ARB tokens are the native tokens of the Arbitrum platform. The ARB token will be solely utilized for governing the protocol, unlike ETH, which is used to pay transaction fees on the Ethereum and Arbitrum networks. The Arbitrum tokens are going to be listed on the Binance exchange once the claim goes live for those that are looking to trade rather than hold them. So let's jump in and take a look at how we can claim from the airdrop. So we'll start over on the Arbitrum website, where we'll need to connect up our wallet, either using the blue button in the top right or in the centre. Here you can connect up your wallet, where you can connect to the likes of the Coinbase wallet, Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, etc. I'm going to be connecting my Ledger hardware wallet via MetaMask. And if MetaMask isn't already on the Arbitrum network, it will ask you to switch networks. However, if it doesn't and you need to add Arbitrum to your wallet, check out our tutorial, which I'm going to pop in the summary below. And I'm currently on the Binance Smart Chain, which I'm going to switch to the Arbitrum network now by choosing Switch Network at the bottom of the screen. From the main screen, you'll see that there's a countdown, and there's 185 days to claim your tokens from the go live date, which was obviously the 23rd of March 2023. And in the top right, you'll see that my wallet is now connected, and it's showing my wallet address. So now that my wallet is now connected, I can check the eligibility. And if you've got more than one wallet, you can obviously do this multiple times. This wallet is fortunate enough to be eligible, and I'm going to receive 1,750 ARB tokens. Over on the right, it also lets me know which criteria I've hit with this wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and start claiming by clicking on the button at the bottom here. And it'll then give you a little story about Arbitrum. And when you get to the end, you can then claim and delegate your tokens. So let's click onto that. Here is where you're going to be able to choose a delegate, and it's up to you who you'd like to delegate them to. Don't worry though, as this delegate doesn't actually get any of your tokens, they just get your voting power. And you can keep the voting power for yourself, but you are going to need to do a little bit more research into this. And there's some FAQs on the right hand side to give you a bit more information. As this is just an example, under Preferences, I'm going to choose DeFi Development, and then view the delegates. And you'll then see a list of delegators that you can delegate to. I'm going to randomly select this one, but like I say, you will need to choose your own, and you can find out more information too. Once you've selected your delegator, choose to claim and delegate, where it then provides an overview of the number of tokens and who you're going to be delegating to. Then claim your tokens. And explains here that there are 2 different steps, which are to sign, and then you'll need to go ahead and claim and delegate. So let's go ahead now. So first I'm going to need to sign the signature in MetaMask. And I then need to approve the 2 actions on my ledger. And once that's all done, I've now successfully claimed and delegated my tokens. However, as you can see from my MetaMask wallet, you might then find that your tokens aren't showing. And if this is the case, you can click onto the button where it says Add ARB to Wallet. Then within MetaMask, choose Add Tokens, and you'll find your tokens are now appearing under your assets. If you want to go ahead, you can then withdraw these newly claimed ARB tokens to another wallet or to an exchange. I'm going to show you how to withdraw these to Binance, because as I said earlier, Binance do now support ARB. So if we head across to Binance now so that we can retrieve our ARB wallet address and head to Fiat and Spot, I'll just type in ARB, then select Deposit to the right. From the network drop-down, you're going to need to select Arbitrum if you're sending these from the Arbitrum network. And if this is the first time, you're going to need to choose to Get Wallet. Once your address has been updated, you can then copy it by using the 2 sheets of paper icon here. Then head back to MetaMask and select your ARB tokens and choose Send. And I'm now going to paste in the Binance ARB address that I've just copied and send across 100 ARB tokens as an example. Then choose Next. And I'm going to need to confirm that within my MetaMask wallet and my ledger, which you'll need to do if it's also connected. Then head back to Binance. And you can then exchange these ARB tokens for crypto or fiat and withdraw your money back to a bank account. Or, on some platforms, you can also earn. So we're just going to see what we can get on Binance now. So if we search for ARB and choose Earn and Flexible, here you can see that you can earn roughly 5 to 6% with Binance. And I'll quickly go through and show you this now. So if I choose to subscribe, and unfortunately my tokens haven't actually come across yet as I've done this too fast, but as you can see the minimum is 0.01 ARB, which I've already got in my wallet to cover this. So I'm going to go ahead for this example. And I'll need to read the terms and conditions and then confirm. Now if you don't use Binance, you can do the same with the likes of OKX. However, when we head across to OKX, you can earn with ARB tokens, but they do only offer 1% at this time, but this may change in the future. And there are other ways that you can earn, which we may cover in a future video. But that's how you can claim from the Arbitrum Airdrop. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybithelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.